பாடப்போகிறேன். பாலும் தெளித்தேனும் பாகும் பருப்பும் இவை நான்கும் கலந்துனக்கு நான் தருவேன். கோலம் செய் தும்பக் கரிமுகத்து தூமணியே, நீ எனக்கு சங்கத்தமிழ் மூன்றும்.
Namaste. My name is V. Kavya. I am studying 4th C. I am going to say some proverbs. The first step is always the hardest. If at first you don't succeed, try again. No pain, no gain. Don't cry over spilled milk. Make hay while the sun shines. Practice makes a man perfect. Don't put off until tomorrow. What can you do today? You are never too old to learn. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Never judge by appearance. Never depend on someone but yourself. All that glitter is not gold. As you sow, so shall you reap. Life is what you make it. All good things come to he who waits. Where there is a will, there is a way. One father is more than 100 schoolmasters. Don't try to run before you can walk. Success has many fathers, while failure is an orphan. It's never too late to mend. Keep your friend close and your enemies closer. Laughter is an best medicine. The pen is mightier than sword. The idle brain is the devil's workshop. God helps those who help themselves. Thank you. Namaste. My name is Ashwini. I am studying 4th standard C section. I am going to tell Abhirami Andadi in Tamil. கணம் தரும் கல்வி தரும் ஒரு நாளும் தளர்வரியா மனம் தரும் தெய்வ வடிவம் தரும் நெஞ்சில் வண்ணமில்லா இனம் தரும் நல்லனையெல்லாம் தரும் அன்பர் என்பவர்க்கே கணம் தரும் பூங்குழலார் அபிராமி கடை கண்டலே. நான் இந்த விநாயகரை செய்வேன். நல்லா இருக்கின்றதா? நன்றி.
Namaste to all. My name is G.K. Gayatri Fochi. நான் இப்போ சிவன் ஸ்தோத்திரம் பாடப் போகிறேன். ஓம் ஸ்ரீம் ஸ்ரீம் க்ரீம் க்ரோம் க்ரைம் ரத் ஹன ஹன தக தக பச்ச பச்ச கிமாத கிமாத் மாதய மாதய வர்த்தய வர்த்தய மகாமா பைரவ பைரவ ரூபேணம் தூரே தூரே கம்பய கம்பய விக்னய விக்னய விஸ்வேஸ்வர சோபய சோப கடு கடு மோகய உங்கள் ஸ்வஹா.
வணக்கம். என் பெயர் டி. வஷ்ணி வர்மா. நான் 4ஆம் வகுப்பில் இ பிரிவில் படிக்கின்றேன். நான் திருப்பாவை சொல்ல போகிறேன். மார்கழி திங்கள் மதி நிறைந்த நன்னாளாம் நீராட பொதுவினோ நேரிடையி மதுமாய் பாடி செல்லச் சிறுமீர்வாய் ஊர்வே தொடியன் நந்த கோபன் குமரன் ஏறார கண்ணீர் யசோதையின சிங்கம் கார்மணி செங்கல் வதர்மதியும் போதுவத்தால் நாராயணனே நமக்கே பலை தருவாய் வாழோம் புகழ பதிந்தேரோ என்பவாய். நன்றி.
Namaste miss. Today I am going to do the simple experiment. For the simple experiment we need one motor, one fan, one battery. I take the motor and put the positive and negative wire already. First we want to take the fan and put in the motor. And take the battery and put it in the positive and negative side. And our project is ready.
due to the positive energy, the fan are running. Thank you, ma'am.
Namaste. My name is Pravina. I'm studying 4th C. I'm going to sing a creative song of coronavirus. Let me tell a kutti story. Pay attention, listen to me. Coronavirus பத்து tension வேண்டாம், live it baby. Follow government rules நண்பா. Everyone will be happy. பலவித virus will come and go. Safe and நீர் happy. One more time. Let me tell a kutti story. Pay attention, listen to me. Coronavirus பத்து tension வேண்டாம், live it baby. Follow government rules நண்பா. Everyone will be happy. பலவித virus will come and go. Safe and நீர் happy. And wash பண்ண வேணும், மாஸ்கும் போட வேணும். Outside travel பண்ணா social distance வேணும். Healthy foods வேணும். Self hygiene வேணும். Active ஆக இருக்க regular exercise வேணும். My dear தாத்தா பாட்டிஸ் and my செல்ல குட்டிஸ், வெளிய போகாதீங்க, அதுதான் ரொம்ப சேஃப்டி. வீட்டிலே இருந்து நாங்க ஆயிட்டோம் நாட்டி. ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ பார்த்து மைண்ட் பியூட்டி. டீச்சர்ஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் மிஸ்ஸிங் நண்பா. பேக் டு த ஸ்கூல் தான் வேணும் நண்பா. ஃபாலோ கவர்மெண்ட் ரூல்ஸ் நண்பா. எவ்ரிவன் வில் பி ஹாப்பி. பலவித வைரஸ் வில் கம் அண்ட் கோ. சேஃப் and நீர் happy. One last time. Let me tell a kutti story. Pay attention, listen to me. Coronavirus பத்து tension வேண்டாம், live it baby. Follow government rules நண்பா. Everyone will be happy. Designer, virus will come and go. Safe and நீர் happy. That was my kutti story. How was my kutti story? That was my kutti story. How was my kutti story? No tension, baby. Thank you.
about DC supply. Basically, fan and light requires electrical energy. This is taken from the small battery, which contain positive and negative terminal. This terminal is connected to the fan. Now connected to light. This is called DC supply. Thank you. Sujit, my experiment is oxygen extinguisher. Fire needs oxygen to sustain itself. The glass prevent the fire from consuming any more oxygen. Once the fire in the glass has consumed all the oxygen, the fire goes out.
Namaste. I am S.B. Bhargav of 4th C. I am going to perform Surya Namaskar. Siddhi. Ekam. Dva. Trini. Satvari. Pancha. Sata. Sapta. Ashta. Nava. Dasa. Ekadasa. Dvadasa. Do this Surya Namaskar daily. Thank you. I am E. Krishna of 4th standard C section. Today we are going to make a paper sword. The requirement things are 2 color papers, 3 white papers, 1 scissor and a tape. Let's start now. First we need a white paper and fold it. Then take a tape and put on here and cut this side. Take a tape and put it on this side. Then take a green paper, keep in here and fold it. And take another tape, put it on your side and take this, keep in this side and take another white paper and roll it. And take a tape and put it on here and put the roll in here and take another white paper and roll it. And take the green paper and put it in here and take a tape, put it on here
take an green chart, fold like this and open it and fold like this again. And this side also you should fold. The edge we should fold this. Then fold it like this and put the first lace in here. And this also you should put and fold it like this and open this side and open in this side also. First you should take the scissors, cut like this and put it in this side in here. Our paper plot is finished now.
I am D. Radhavana, 4th C. I am going to solve 2 into 2 cubes for you. Please watch. Thank you.
Namaste to all. My name is Arasni of 4C. I perform into Bharatanatyam.
Namaste. I am Akshara Rajavelu. I am studying 4th standard C section. I am going to recite Bilvashtagam in Sanskrit. Tridalam Trigunakaram Trinetram Chatriyayudam Trijanma Papa Samharam Eka Bilvam Shivarpanam Trishakai Bilva Patrescha Achittai Komalai Shubhai Tava Pujam Karishyami Eka Bilvam Shivarpanam Koti Kanya Mahadanam Tilaparvata Koteyaha Kanjanam Shiratanena Eka Bilvam Shivarpanam Kashi Kshetra Nivasam Cha Kala Bhairava Darshanam Prayage Madhavam Drishtva Eka Bilvam Shivarpanam Induvare Vratam Stitva Niraharo Maheshwaraha Nattamaushami Devesha Eka Bilvam Shivarpanam Ramalinga Pratishthacha Vaivahika Kritam Tata Kadicha Samdanam Eka Bilvam Shivarpanam Akanda Bilva Patrescha आयुधं शिवपूजनं कृतं नाम सहस्रेण एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम् उमयसह देवेश नन्दिवाहनमेव च भस्मलेपन सर्वाङ्गम् एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम् सालग्रामेषु विप्राणां तटाकं दशकूपयोः यज्ञकोटिसहस्रेषु एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम् दन्तिकोटिसहस्रेषु सहस्रोपनयनं तथा कोटिकन्या महादानम् एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम् बिल्वानां दर्शनं पुण्यं स्पर्शनं पापनाशनम् अघोरपापसंहारम् एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम् सहस्रवेदपाठेषु ब्रह्मस्थापनमुच्यते अनेकव्रतकोटीनाम् एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम् अन्नदानसहस्रेषु सहस्रोपनयनं तथा अनेकजन्मपापानि एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम् धन्यवादः।
Right, P. Navneet there. P. Navneet. Four C.
going to act about the farmer and businessman. Ha ha ha. This is one and one agriculture land in this country. Farmer. Yeah. Businessman. Farmer. Businessman. Hey. Farmer, what do you want? Businessman, I want this agriculture area. No, I cannot give this. Why? Because it gives us food. I built a big shopping malls. No, I cannot give this. Gods! Picture! Okay, I give this. Okay, put sign in this form. Okay. After 10 years. Oh my god! I'm very hungry. Oh shit! The moral of the act is we should not destroy the agriculture land.
Namaste. My name is Vikavya of 4th C. I am going to do kata. Piran Godan. Thank you.
My name is Sahana. I am studying in 4th C. I am going to perform Bharatanatyam.
onion, tomato, mango, capsicum, lemon, coriander, roasted peanut, chili powder and salt. Come to the recipe. First put onions. And put tomatoes. Add some mangoes and capsicum. And letting chop. Chili and some roasted peanut. Little lemon. Add little lemon juice.
കയ്യിൽ